Thank you so much for tuning in, lovelies. Today I bring you one of my best Nigerian delicacy, Ofe Nsala, also known as white soup. Stay tuned and let's talk about this soup. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you all so much for watching. So lovelies, please pay attention to this video while I tell a small story of what the soup means to me. This is Ofe Nsala. It's also known as white soup in Nigeria, mostly prepared in the Igbo's cuisine. I am from Delta Igbo, Ukwane or Ukwale. We call the soup Ofe Kele. Ofe Kele is a traditional soup in my home, which is it is mostly prepared on Christmas morning and on New Year morning. It reminds me of my late dad and mom because every Christmas and New Year we wake up to prepare this 6 o'clock. The soup is already done and we'll eat before serving any rice or anything. Up to date is still a traditional soup for us all. Wherever we are, you see, sometimes we'll keep sending pictures on Christmas morning. Have you prepared your ifikele? What's up? Have you guys? It's just an interesting one. And I also love to prepare it now and then, mostly on Friday, because I know I won't be working on Saturday. I'll just take my time and eat and sleep like there is no tomorrow. Okay. Ofikele is basically taking pepper soup prepared with amazing aromatic seasoning. You can use any protein of your choice. On New Year and Christmas Day, we usually use goat meat, but my mom loves catfish pepper soup. Okay, catfish ofikele. Now, one thing we never added to nsala soup or ikele soup or white soup, however you call it in your home, it's onion. We never added onion. We've always gone for potage, but because I needed to skip the potage, okay, so I have to go for onion. Onion does a better job than potage, and the taste, it's beyond words. To show that the soup is very simple, very easy, you've seen the step we've taken to this point. I usually order my spices, my pepper soup spices from Africa, very good one. And also there are spices here in diaspora or in Austria that can replace some spices in Africa, okay? So they have amazing spices here. You just have to know them, okay? If not, there are spices that can replace some spices, some I say, in Africa. Their tastes are similar. Now, after then, I will go ahead and cook my yam. For the soup, you need a thickener, and that thickener is yam or ede. There is this taste that comes with yam when it comes to this soup. You can't change it to any other thing. For me, I just love it. Ede, which is coconut yam, it's also perfect, but I always have yam at home, so ede is not something I have every time. Now use your food processor. Of course, I won't go ahead and be pounding yam here. So I have my food processor. Just blend and mix and then add those chunks in your soup. You want to cover it after adding the chunk. Be careful of how many you are adding so that they won't be too thick at first, because if it cools down, it will thicken up more. So cover it and let those pounded yam or the thickener dissolve inside the soup. There is nothing else you can go for apart from going for fresh pounded yam as a swallow for the soup. Okay, I can't imagine. So another thing that works for this soup too is starch. Okay, starch is also good, but pounded yam for me, it's number one. So guys, at this point you want to check the consistency of your soup. Okay, if you feel like the consistency is perfect, take off the rest of the unmelted pounded yam in your soup. If not, you can still leave it, but take note that if the soup cools down, it will thicken up more. Okay, at that point you won't enjoy it, depending on it's your preference, okay, how you want to have it. But I love to have it a little bit thin, okay, not too thick. And I added my scent leaf. I don't stay in a place where I get fresh scent leaf. So I added my frozen scent leaf and it was smelling good. It was smelling yummy. So thank you. We are done. One thing you should take note of again is your crayfish. Do not be selfish of crayfish when it comes to the soup. You need enough of it because that it's a taste booster. Yes. Okay, and you just have to plate and enjoy your meal. Like I said, pounded yam, fresh pounded yam, or starch is a perfect swallow for the soup for us. And I want to say a very big thank you for watching to this point. Please do not forget to give your thumbs up. Don't go without liking, please, guys. It will go a long way for me. Also, leave your opinion in the comment section. What do you think about the soup? See you all in my next one. And please remember to share with your loved ones. Bye for now.